Hey everybody, it's Intolerable. Now I'm going to show you how to use a flint from an old Bic that's all used up for a flint for your Zippo. First of all, you need to carefully, with a flat tip screwdriver, remove the top of the Bic lighter. I like to use a dish to launch everything into because there's a spring under here and everything comes flying out at once. That's what I was talking about. Fortunately, I didn't lose the flint. This is the flint. You would think you could just take that out and put it in your Zippo, but it's actually twice as long as what you need, so you need to cut this in half. In order to do that, take a heavy-duty pair of wire cutters. Put it exactly in the middle of the flint. It's another reason I have this dish here. Get ready to cut it, put your hand over it very carefully. That way you don't lose any pieces. Now you have two halves of the flint. Both of these will fit quite nicely into your Zippo.